Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today I will present about this all my portfolio. But before that, first of all, let's pray and thanks to our God Allah SWT who has been giving us a message and blessing so we can attend and guide in this place in good condition and happy station. Secondly, my salat and peace to our Prophet Muhammad SAW very good us to Jaya Merah. Okay, this is my all about portfolio and my CV. First, I make this one is maybe 1 week for all design. It's from there is like game, web, IoT, design, Android, English, Dinia, achievement, and experience. At the first, in here, the cover of the first one. And then here is the about me. Is hello Chen in Germany is hello guys. In here, hello what's up guys? It's Hebi Izwan Hafiz. Usually people call me it can be Iwan or Izwan. And I was born in West Bekasi and now I live in East Cikarang Selatan. I was born on Saturday 6 May 2021 2011 and I was the third child in my family. Okay, maybe that's all about my introduction. Now let's enjoy my portfolio and my CV. At the first, in here there is my CV is curriculum vitae. Here is my all experience, all about my experience is from teaching is first is like Kespra until this the last one is SDT Jayasuna. In here my education, my SD in Asabikun and now junior in Demor School. And then is all my skill that can me do it is at the first UI UX design, make in Figma, game development in Scratch, or web designer, or maybe web software is in WordPress. Then here for maybe you can contact me from at the first is my contact in WA and my email. And here there is just introduce normally. Hey, I'm Zonafi, creative detail oriented student passionate about UI UX design and web development. I enjoy building visually appealing and functional design and I'm always eager to grow and take on new challenge. Then here is the list of content at the first introduction, project, project 2, and all project until the achievement at the last is experience. At the first we go to the game of my game project from 7th grade. In here there is catching fruit. It's a game of catching apples that come down from above with a ball. If you want to win, you have to collect 10 apples with a ball and don't get hit the best apple is useful for adding point and hit by best. Jadi in here we play is like used to a row in left and the right. For the ball we can control it. In here there is like bugs and then the apple. The how to win before we win must catch the apple one, not the bugs. Because when we catch the bugs, that is like get minus point. And for the apple, we get adding point. Then for this one, we must collect 10 for win this game. Okay, next. Here there is Alien Defender. It's a game shooting aliens with fire. This game can be played with the mouse pointer to move and shutter and space to shoot. If you usually shoot at the alien, then you will get 1 point. If you are hit by an alien, then you will lose. In here, this game is like I make in Scratch. This how to play, and at the first we have like two, like what two. We can use maybe for a home move. We can use the arrow like we are SD or arrow move, and then in here we can shoot like in my game we can shoot like missile or just normal bullet. And then this is we must like survive 5 until 7 minutes for win this game. At the last later we must defeat the boss for get win. Okay, next is like block breaker. Block breaker is a game a breaking block with the ball that we bounce from the pad to the block. If the ball touches the block, it will increase your point to be +1. And if you not hit the ball to the pad of or lost to the ground, you will lose. Okay, in here like the old game we know when we children. This like we use right and left arrow for both the pad, and then there is ball like they bouncing to we pad, and then touch this all in up, what's the name? All square in the up. And then how to win this game? To win this game, we must like make it all this triangle as low, and then when we are bouncing but we not get the pad, we can lose. And here in here there is jumping cube, but I forget change this one because this is a build box project. Jumping cube is the game, is a box time 3D game that jumps over obstacles like cones and must hit the ball to get coin. If the point have reached the maximum, then it will win. Okay, in this game we play same, use left and right arrow for we move the ball, maybe go to right or the left. And then there is use space too that can be jumped, or later there is like a stranger in here. Then we must get all diamond until 10 for this game we get win. Then there is the cross drop. The game is like 3D from crossing road from build box, and then this just easy game. We just use 2 row at the first. We can left and right. In here we must choose the right place or the right way for we get win. Okay, now go to web project. Here at the first, my personal website is web for my data, and then in here my experience lot of created event that are follow this web. Outside my listen experience of other that. In here in my web, I put my old project all in here for maybe collect SKL, or maybe people want see my web. And then here there is my project website is Google site. Its school website is a web for school introduction and things about the school such as school profile, academics, and school information, news in school achievement that have been achieved by school or student in school. In here I make my my nice old school before when I'm still SD. What is SD? Elementary. Yeah, elementary. When I still elementary. In here there is like the name is SDIT Asabikun the open. It's not. And here this is website for Mosque. This Mosque website is a web for Mosque introducing and things about the Mosque such as Mosque profile, place in the Mosque, and Mosque information. This just like before is like Google site too, but there I make about my mosque in near of my home. Now we go to IoT project. In here there is like line follower. This the coding. Line follower is like we program the robot for like follow the black line in the track. Then in here I make this thing with microbit. And now is the water plant. This water plant is a microbit that can check the temp of the water with the microbit. And here we can that like chip that can check the temp of the water like more from Ramer, Fahrenheit, and the Kelvin. And this one is like smart trash Casby. And then this recording, but I forget to put the smart trash is about like this. The smart is the trash normal, but let's use like when we hand get in there later that can open automatically, cause that is get smart trash that can open automatic, so we can busy just put it for box simple. Then this is the most I like project is design project. At the first, there is my UI UX design about Muslim uptime, remind to type of prayer, Qibla, or maybe you can read Quran, search near mosque, and for zikir. And then this is, as we can see, here I'm my favorite project of maybe these 3 years is UI UX design. Near this, there is mockup shirt. This is a shirt mockup. I do it in Figma 2. About the design is about anime is Hinata Shoyo from Haikyuu. And then this is my plane. Forget for this one. I am like 3D room in here. There is a PC, and then this frame, futon, and all about one room. This is my dream room in home. Okay, now is about the 3D room plane or like 3D web design. In here is from here, and then we must make like 4B design or web. Okay, maybe that's.
And then
Now is Instagram post, and it's about all adab before we sleep. Like we must take wudu, and then we must go to like reading trikul and all about adab about that. Okay, now just go to this Android project. And the first is Talk to Me. In here, the Talk to Me is application we can maybe we like hello to phone like this. This phone we can maybe we put in record we can say hello letter in this phone letter can answer what before we say, and then if like ngomong we like to say we can maybe chat. Yes, we can text the application and the letter that is what. And then this one is name card. It's like same before application just card just there is or maybe CV business card containing your name data, but it's just normal card. Just maybe put this one TikTok, Instagram, and when I born. Okay, now is find my age. This is the application we can just put we age maybe me 2011 letter. In here there is picture that look the show to we is we still maybe children or other than. Okay, now is the Islamic dashboard or Bitaqwa app. In here, Islamic dashboard is one of several parts of the Bitaqwa app, and this dashboard then are several Bitaqwa functions such as doa-doa, kalkulator zakat, and jadwal salat. Then this I make in Visual Studio Code. This is like so long. We make together in here. Then this like same two in here. The calculator zakat is still one application but different page. Then we make this one is maybe until 3 weeks for done all. Okay, now go to the English project. Here that is the last project or 3-in-1 project is final project for the English. Here we have 3 phases. The first an interview with teacher we will Mr. Akbar, and second will be explain the country before we explain about Egypt country, and the last is favorite project. Now is story figure. Is story figure for the English. I will me story about the Lamela Ball of the best basketball player for me, and in here I story about all from Lamela for children, and then have 3 brother and other about that. Here is motivational speech. It's doing speech in front of the all junior high school student. We can give motivation tips and trick, and you listen to other student to make them motivated. Here speech in after zuhur, ba'da zuhur. We in front they all like speech about what the time already get. Okay, now is there is LTD. This is the oldest one. ITCD is teaching we classmate about anything, and we must use English when we are teaching. We can teach like about astronomy, science, or maybe country and other it. Here there is WET or Weekend English Talk. Here me and my friend is talk about India culture. We talk with West is from India, and my friend or my pastor is Elal. And here there is the project, and the first is adapt for orang sakit is making poster from the adapt every day, giving advice other person via social media such about bird living culture. There is Ustad Imam project. In here we must put like all adapt when we want meet atau jenguk we friend when they sick. And here there is Akidah poster is making poster for stranger faith, and inside the poster like all about hadith or maybe Quran surah, or then tell about Akidah lah all. And here there is my mind mapping. This is my best one because like I don't see the best one for me. It's making mind map any subject about Fikih. Inside the mind map is telling Fikih subject. And here of the how to we do like go to the Nyazah, or there is in here by tata cara. Yes lah, all about how to do to jenazah. And this there is mind mapping. This the exact one is motion graphic. It's a video time tells about the Islamic content of the knowledge about Islam, and I made the video motion graphic in 8th grade. Here I make in Canva, just not take long, just maybe 1 hour for this one. At the first we just take the audio and then we can put in Canva, and then the last we make the motion for this video. And the last one is motion graphic about motion graphic soft law. It's about saya like Akidah, but this doa safar is subhanallah is the poster as yes I make. Then like we before maybe we go to anywhere, then use facial or car or something, we must pray first before go to anywhere. Then this is there is my achievement. And the first is introducing to HTML is solo learn, and then this BCI about me doing like introduce to Canva, and then here the ST or best student in the month achieve that like be student in the month and get from school. And here is the fastest project is achieve that like maybe then fastest do project is semester 1 is the last first when me 8th grade and get from school. And this all of my experience from here at Dures when in 8th grade. Then here is there is like identity. All my identity is the documentation when me and my friend documentation to anywhere. And after that is there is market day is the best one because in there we like selling to other people. We is from morning until afternoon. And here the cooking class is from asrama dormitory. We do like we cooking to for self and then for a team lah. Nah, we like cooking something about maybe before spaghetti, bakso or other about it. Then this is the last one, and also this one again is WET before weekday English talk. This live in the more school YouTube, and then we like talk to the strangers is from India. The name is Mansor. Yes, Mansor. And then here there is seminar public speaking. This is the best seminar because the speaker is the name is Aziz Lahuddin. him so good when he speech, and then he teach to we how to maybe public speaking, and other is when she this ya in semester 2. Aduh, oma. This is the closing one. Maybe the cover of the back is not too good. Okay, maybe that for me. Sorry when my English so not good, because at the long I not speak. And then maybe that's all for me. Sorry when I have mistake, because the mistake is from me and from Shaitan. The correct one is just from Allah. Okay, maybe that's for me. Syukron. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ribet sih, ribet.